What is going on, guys, and welcome to Bootstrap tutorial. And in this video we're going to talk about badges and labels, and badges are usually associated with the link. So over here I'm just going to write a empty href, and I'm going to say that link is going to be having a value of posts. And over here what I can do is I can actually create a span that would have a class, and the class would be badge, something very simple. And over here I could say that, let's say that the value is going to be 7 here. And obviously I could change it to 9 or change it to 12. So you get an idea how we can actually create a link over here and add this numerical value to it, right? And we can also place it in a button. So let's say I will have a button and the type is going to be button over here. And let's say over here, I'm just going to say that this is going to be class, and the class is going to be button, and this is going to be button primary, something like this. And here I would say, I don't know, links. And over here again, I can just create the same span over here like this. This is going to be a class, and the class is going to be, again, badge. So here we have a badge, and again, I'll have it like, I don't know, 14. So this is how we can work with this badge in the button, right? And now let's talk about labels, and labels are used to provide additional information, right? So over here, let's say that I would create a heading 1. And I would say hello world, right? And I'm just going to zoom out a little bit because I think we're too much. Over here, maybe a little bit more. And over here, I would create a span. And this time the span would have a different class. It would have a class of label. So over here, it's class. And over here, it's going to be label. Label like this. And over here, I'm just going to write something like hello Johnny, right? What you can see that it's actually I'm creating this label, but you cannot see anything, right? And the reason for that is you actually have to add another class to that. So technically it needs to be called label, and then we need to write one of the options, right? In this case, you can see that I'm using the default option, right? And it obviously works the same way like it did with the buttons or with alerts or with text or with background. And basically we have these default elements, and let's say over here I have warning, right? So obviously this is going to be a color warning. Here I can say that this is going to be primary. You can see where I'm going with this, right? This is going to be info. The next one is going to be success, and the last one is, I don't know, danger probably, right? Success, something like this, and this is going to be danger. So this is how we can work with labels.